Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Coding S. Today, let's look at number 13, Roman to integer. Here we have several different Roman symbols, and they have their own value. So generally, Roman numbers are written largest to smallest from left to right, like XII from larger to smaller. We just do the add calculation. We just using 10 add 1, and got 12. But sometimes the Roman symbol come from the smaller first. So like IV. So I is smaller than V. In this way, we don't do the add calculation. We do the minus calculation, like use 5 minus 1. So IV represents 4. And here we got several examples. Let's look at the last one because it is the complicated one. So MCM XCIV, M represents 1000. We just add 1000. Let's see if C is larger than M. No, so that's good. We just add C. That would be 100. Next, we see if M larger than C. Yes, so that's the special case. We need to treat CM as a unit. That would be M minus C. So should be 1000 minus 100. But remember, we just add C 100 before, so we need to also minus that one. We use times 2 here. Let's look at the next digit. X is smaller than M. That's good. So we need to add 10. C is larger than X. That's a special case. We need to use 100 minus 2 times 10. I smaller than C. That's good. We add 1. V larger than I. That's special case. So we need to treat IV as a unit. And 5 minus 2 times 1. So in the end, we will get 1994. So that's the special case. Let's use this method to solve this problem in general. Here we got symbol and value. It is a pair. So we often use dictionary to store the pairs. So like create a dictionary named Rome. Five x plus 10. That should be x. L equals 50. C equals 100. D equals 500. M equals 1000. Okay, so let's set our result as 0 first. We will go over every digit in the Roman number one by one. So for I in range length of S, if I is larger than 0, so we need to do the comparison from the second one. So larger than 0 and Rome S I. So the right digit is larger than the left digit. Then that will be the special case. We need to do the minus calculation. Then we need to do results to use the larger one. Minus 2 times the smaller one. And if not, we just get the common case, we just use the add calculation. Just add the value of the integer. So here we're gonna return the result after we go over every digit. So let's submit our code. Yeah, that's cool. So in this problem, we just to see the special case, and then use if and else to separate these two cases, the special case and the common case, and do the calculation. That's pretty simple. Thank you so much.